Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a deep dive into a pro-level diagnostic tool, the Foxwell NT909. If you're a serious DIYer, a workshop owner, or just want something more than a basic code reader, this one might interest you. We'll look at what it can do, where it excels, and importantly, where you should be cautious. Let's jump in. The NT909 from Foxwell is described as an all-system bidirectional scan tool capable of full vehicle diagnostics, not just engine codes. According to the manufacturer, it supports 125 plus vehicle brands, includes 30 plus special functions, resets, and offers things like ECU coding, VAG guided functions, wireless connectivity, and more. A few key specs. It runs Android 9.0, uses an 8-inch capacitive touchscreen, has Bluetooth Wi-Fi Wi-Fi connectivity, and features a large battery, 8,000 mAh, according to specs, so you can work without being tethered all day. Let's run through the standout features that set this unit apart. The NT909 scanner offers full system diagnostics and over 100 active tests for components like fuel pumps, ABS, cooling fans, and more. It supports OBDII functions such as code reading, clearing, and live data display, ensuring wide vehicle coverage, high accuracy, and faster, more precise repairs. Oil light reset, ABS bleed, battery match, DPF regen, SAS calibration, injector code, EPB reset, TPS, airbag module replace, seat match, AF reset, language change, TPMS reset, EGR adapt, headlamp reset, cluster, clutch adapt, CVT, evap test, gear learn, ODS, OPDS, O2 sensor test, fuel pump prime, TCM oil, transmission adapt, turbo, windows, doors. The vehicle's immobilizer prevents unauthorized engine starts by verifying the genuine key or transponder chip. Using a bidirectional scan tool, the IMMO function can relearn or program new keys, chips, and fix ignition failures caused by immobilizer faults. It is used to relearn or reset the vehicle's tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. This function calibrates the tire sensors to ensure accurate tire pressure readings for each wheel. Offline adaptation for BMW E and F series. Disable unwanted features. Customize OEM settings for Audi and VW. Perform ECU module replacement and unlock hidden functions for BMW, Audi, VW, and Toyota. Upgrade the SE economic to the SL luxury version with step-by-step guided diagnostic procedures for matching, calibration, and basic settings. Supports 14 brands, compatible with Audi, BMW, Skoda, Seat, Bentley, Bugatti, Lexus, Hino, Mini, Lamborghini, Scion, Toyota, Volkswagen, and MAN LD. Relearn new keys, reset keys, add new keys, and disable existing keys. Available for selected Honda, Toyota, and Proton vehicles. Not supported for all models. Language changes: Korea, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Swedish, English, Japanese, Italian, German, Russian, Hungarian, Greek, Dutch. So there you have it, the Foxwell NT909. A capable, high-level diagnostics tool that brings many workshop features to one device. If you're doing serious work across many vehicle types, it's definitely worth considering. But as always, match your tool to your actual needs, check compatibility, and understand updates, support. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tools and tech reviews, and drop any questions you have about the NT909 in the comments below. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.